There has never been a day that I left Hennepin Healthcare without feeling grateful and fulfilled and happy about what I do.
For me, Hennepin Healthcare is home. It is home for our patients, it is home for our residents, it is home for our staff.
Hennepin Healthcare is my family.
It's one of the few places I looked at where there are just residents everywhere, medical students everywhere, and you can really be a part of the team.
We share a common goal, and that is to help, heal our community.
It serves the Twin Cities as basically the only safety net hospital where we have a massive volume of underserved patients.
If you really want to make a difference, this is a great place where you have countless opportunities to do that.
One of the residents, when I interviewed here, said that to be a good psychiatrist, you have to see a lot.
I've had days where I have been to 6 different countries in one day. I've had a day where I had to speak to Somali patient, Abrahamic patient, Arabic patient, Russian-speaking patient.
You see a breadth of pathophysiology, you see a breadth of cultural and economic differences within the patient population, and I think that can only make you a better doctor.
Hennepin Healthcare strikes an incredible balance in the sense that we are both a county hospital, and then we are on the cutting edge of research. We have both things at once, which is really hard to get in a single training program.
Learning in a hands-on environment is very much a part of the culture here at Hennepin.
You really get to be the person at the front lines, but at the same time, you always have a lot of strength and backup if you ever need help.
Very quickly, you understand that you're not alone in your learning.
People want to grow you as a physician. They're willing to work with people on an individual level in terms of advising of how do we get you to that point that when you leave here, you're going to be ready to do whatever you want to do.
We turn now to the coronavirus in several states.
Hospitalizations are once again...
With COVID sort of coming out of nowhere this year, everything kind of got flipped on its head.
This is something we have never seen before. And so it's just been wonderful to see our HCAs, our nurses, our residents, our staff basically working together all as equals to come up with creative solutions in order to protect ourselves and our patients.
They cater to us both physically, mentally, and emotionally.
There's mental health services that people can access if necessary.
A resident lounge, a gym for us to use, free parking and free food make a really big difference to a resident.
They now have a physician that's dedicated just for taking care of residents.
And then I think the most important pieces are always someone to talk to when you need help.
There's been a lot of changes in terms of making sure that there are units that are separate for COVID patients.
We took a wing that's able to be closed off in our emergency department and just turned it into the coronavirus stay bay.
Another major thing that I think changed really rapidly is all of a sudden the need for doing telemedicine, and people have really found it a great opportunity since this is part of what medicine is going to look like in the future.
We didn't see a setback during the pandemic, and that was very impressive.
I feel I'm safe. I know I'm keeping my patients safe as well.
I was proud to work in a place where they just met a community's need so quickly. Hennepin Healthcare is definitely up for it.
You're going to get great medical training wherever you go. So go to a place that takes care of you as a person, not only as a physician.
I have learned countless things about myself as a person, countless things about myself as a doctor, and countless things about this community.
I love where it's located in the Twin Cities. Go Vikings.
I've been able to get the diverse patient experience that I wanted to be able to see. I was able to get the volume of patients that I wanted to see, and I was able to get amazing teaching.
I always have a really great day here, and that's kind of how I think of Hennepin.
Every day I think I made an excellent choice, and I'm lucky that they also chose me.